Express Labs. We're going to learn all about Espress Labs right now with Dan. We are at the Collision Conference, of course, here in the York Region booth. How's your show going so far?
It's fantastic. I can't complain. Good turnout like every year, and glad that this is taking part in our city.
I called it Express Labs, but it's Espress, like espresso, right?
We've had so many of these misnaming and all that stuff over the years. It's Espress Labs. Funny, it was founded when we got the name was we were having coffee. So that
makes sense.
That's the short and the long of it, yeah.
Well, good to know I'm not the only one who butchered it, so I apologize.
Happens all the time.
So please tell us about Espress Labs, what you do.
Yeah, so Espress Labs is a digital studio. We blend creative and technology for our clients, and we hope to deliver a result that moves their business outcomes forward.
Okay, and how would you say your approach to this is different than other companies? What's your secret sauce, if you have?
Yeah, so in terms of secret sauce, we do everything in-house, so we don't like to outsource anything, and we lead everything with a research-minded, like a research-first approach. So a client comes to us, we'll do the necessary research instead of just trying to sell you and close you on a website, an ad campaign, an app, or anything like that.
Do you leverage artificial intelligence at all? That's a big buzz, of course, these days.
It's interesting. We started to. We still believe that there's quite a bit of risk in having our clients' proprietary data and algorithms out in there when you're trying to use it. But we do have it for some task automation. Not sure it's replying to my emails yet, but that could be the future.
Right, wouldn't that be handy?
Sometimes, yeah. You hope you don't want to say the wrong thing.
And you did say you were, very people-centric, to paraphrase, organization that AI, you may not want it to handle that when you enjoy working with your clients. And I understand you're headquartered in York Region. Tell us about that.
Yeah, we've been in York Region for the past 12 years. Great area, easy access to highway. Fantastic development in the city. We've seen it grow over the last 10 years in ways that other areas in the GTA haven't, and that's why we chose to make it our home base.
What would you say to other companies who are thinking about moving to the region?
I would say don't think, just do it. You'll be surprised at how much support you get from our elected officials and the level of business growth that happens year over year.
What are you looking to get out of Collision Conference?
Mostly brand awareness. We're looking to do a little bit of networking. Obviously, no publicity is bad publicity. We're looking to meet some of our existing clients, potentially get some new clients, and join things like this. Like a chat with you is all worthwhile.
Thank you. And what's the best website to learn more about Espress Labs?
EspressLabs.com, or find us on any of the socials at Espress Labs.
All right, that's Espress Labs, not Express Labs. Dan, thanks so much for chatting with me.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.